The Battleship New Jersey, America's most decorated U.S. Navy ship, is set for restoration after 30 years at the Camden waterfront.
This is needed but also preventative maintenance.
This 887-foot-long vessel will undergo essential maintenance, including hull coatings and zinc anode replacement.
So we're replacing about 600 anodes as part of the protection system from zinc to aluminum to help change out the system for fresh water. And that will, again, is our warning system and detection system for corrosion in the ship's hull.
Prep work had already started, which included the removal of its antenna so that she can fit underneath the Walt Whitman Bridge.
And even at high tide, we're going to clear the bridge just by about 11 feet. So it's still a close fit, and that will allow us to travel underneath into the dry dock.
While in dry dock, the Battleship New Jersey will offer immersive tours, allowing visitors to walk underneath her and touch her hull.
So the fact that we're going to the former Philadelphia Navy Yard, which is now privately run, means that people are going to be able to get much closer to this ship than they ever would before.
Half of the $10 million needed for repairs have been secured, while profits from the tour plus additional fundraisers and donations will help cover the remaining costs. There'll be a free celebration on March 21st so that fans can come out here and say bon voyage to the Battleship New Jersey as it makes its way down the Delaware River. Those unable to attend can still support the project by donating through their website, which can help make sure she'll be here for generations to come.
We're guaranteeing that she's going to be here another 30 years at least, and almost certainly longer than that. So we're going to make it over the ship's 100-year birthday. That means that she's going to outlive probably all of the World War II veterans.
Upon her return, the Battleship New Jersey will emerge revitalized, ready to continue its legacy. Joey Contino, Wildwood Video Archive.